The head of Victoria's Country Rail Line, James Pinder, has been caught discussing bribes for pandemic cleaning work. Victoria's corruption watchdog is conducting week-long hearings this week into alleged misconduct at V-Line. And already the cracks are showing. Evidence aired at IBAC hearings show Pinder discussing top-ups and sprinkles and a $50,000 bribe for new work. Victoria's Shadow Minister for Transport Infrastructure, David Davis, joins me now. David Davis, I'll come to this issue in just a moment, but you would have heard Nina Fennell's plea there for some common sense on these laws that silence the victims of sexual abuse crimes that have been murdered and basically gives credence to the name of the perpetrator. Surely the Liberal Party won't be supporting that in the Parliament?
No, we're certainly wanting change on that. I know that our Shadow Attorney, Edward O'Donoghue, has been very active in getting some change, trying to get some change on that. I know he's made contact to the Attorney General and he's trying to get some change in that. We don't accept that that's a fair way forward. We think it's obviously going to be very unfair to those families. You know, it seems an over-regulation. Obviously, you need checks and balances, but it seems extreme.
All right, let's move to the IBAC hearings. Yesterday it came to light that Pinder had pocketed a secret $100,000 loan from a cleaning company that he had then awarded a multi-million-dollar contract to just the day before. Can you believe the sort of evidence we're hearing out of IBAC?
This is just extraordinary evidence that we're hearing. Sprinkles and phone calls and burner phones. It's just, I mean, my goodness. This is, you know, a set of contractual arrangements that have gone way, way out of control. It seems to be a systemic problem with this particular part of government. It's the Department of Transport and V-Line that are being examined by this IBAC investigation, and this is stinging evidence. It's really shocking. It's clear that taxpayers' money has been used in a way that has topped up people to enable their houses to be bought, all sorts of extraordinary activities that are going to need to be called out. Now, I say, what on earth is going on here? Why are there not the checks and the controls in place? Jacinta Allen was the Transport Minister at the time. This person, James Pinder, was appointed in 2016. She's the head of the transport portfolio now, the Department of Transport. This is the area where this is involved. It clearly involves Metro as well, so it's not just V-Line, it's a whole of Department of Transport problem that is emerging, and you've got to ask what on earth the government is doing to put in place the proper checks. And this is taxpayers' money, hard-earned taxpayers' money that is being squandered. You know, really very serious matters coming to light here.
Yeah, we're talking about kickbacks and bribes, hundreds of thousands of dollars. You know, I've raised plenty of concern, even just from the evidence tendered in the Cote inquiry, wish it was a Royal Commission, the Cote inquiry into hotel quarantine, about the letting of multi-million-dollar contracts. You know, if these allegations are now before IBAC, and they are allegations, but they relate to contracting and corrupt behaviour, I think there are real concerns about hotel quarantine as well.
Well, there is, and the hotel quarantine inquiry could not have been more different from this. This is IBAC. It's got real powers, real teeth, the ability to get in and tap phones, do whatever it needs to do, and it's done it. It's actually done it. It's actually got in. It's raided homes. It's found tens of thousands of dollars cash in drawers. It's found the phone taps have disclosed all sorts of attempts to defeat IBAC. Also, a gambling syndicate was formed, which is clearly forming some role to try and wash the money through. All of this has come out in sensational evidence, with witnesses breaking down, you know, occasional breaks for the inquiry to get back on track. It's been extraordinary evidence. It is absolutely unacceptable that taxpayers' money is being blasted off in this way for the personal benefit of some bureaucrats. And I say, where are the ministers? Where are the senior bureaucrats in protecting public money in this way? It's disgraceful.
It is disgraceful. David Davis, thank you for your time.
Pleasure.